Welcome to the broadcast, ladies and gentlemen. I am excited to connect with you. My name is Lisa Hawker. I am born in New York and I live in California. I'm a former criminal defense attorney since 1997, and I've turned into a network marketer, and I absolutely love it. I'm a mentor, an author, all on the topic of social selling. And I did it by learning attraction marketing, and I partnered with a company called Modere. Attraction marketing and social retail have absolutely changed the way I do business, and I love it. And so you're here invited by someone who cares about you because you want to hear all about how you can make money online as well and actually monetize that social media scroll that all of us do, right? We're all on social media. So why not monetize that? Maybe you're here to add this just as an affiliate stream of income to your household, to your family, or maybe you're already in the network marketing space, but you're looking for a team and a company that uses proven attraction marketing systems to build and sustain massive growth. But either way, you're in the right place. All right. You're in the right place, and I'm glad you're here. A little bit about me. My name is Lisa, and I'm a mom to four sons, a wife, a stepmom to two, and a dog mom turned network marketer. And the thing that I love so much about network marketing and about what I do is that I love helping people just feel good, look better, feel better, and make more money. And if you're someone who uses a cell phone and social media, then you too can actually be earning money in super part-time hours alongside whatever it is that you do on your daily basis, right? Your regular job or whatever it is that you've got going on. So quick backstory, 6 years ago, I was somebody who was sitting at a desk in court in front of a judge, and I was kind of there Monday through Friday, kind of 8:30 to 5 or whenever court ended. I was stuck there working through the backlog of cases that I had for that day. And I was kind of feeling like I was being held hostage by other people's schedules, right? The judge's schedule, the opposing counsel's schedule, the jail schedule, getting the clients there, like all of it, just held hostage in that courtroom and sort of stuck at that desk. And although I really loved helping my clients through the trials and tribulations and problems that they were experiencing in their lives, I really did love that part. I just really hated being away from my family so much all day, every day, and not really having that flexibility to where I could leave and, go catch that game or that school play or, make sure they had what they needed or hit the grocery store at a normal hour. And so I really hated being a slave to the job. And I felt like I was really running out of time. My oldest at that time was just entering high school. My middle was in middle school. And my last two kids, the twins, they were still in elementary school. So three different schools, the quorum, all of it. So I felt like I was running out of time and that I had missed so much of their life that other people were really doing a great job of raising them. And I wanted my time raising them before they grew up and left for college and their life. Oh, and by the way, I had a horrible boss who, by the way, didn't have any kids. So any mention of like having to leave work for my kids, yeah, that was a no-no. And I was kind of like, is this really like it? Is this how it's going to go? Because this isn't really that great right now anymore. I was looking for something to add in to kind of give me some flexibility. And that's when I was introduced to network marketing. I had no idea what it was. And I started in traditional network marketing in 2017, but 2 years ago, I found social retail and Modere and came on over, and I just wish that I had found it earlier than I did because it is so much more authentic and fun to be a business builder in a model like social retail and Modere. We don't have to do any of the things that the majority of people really dislike in network marketing, like we don't stock any inventory, we don't host parties, we don't have to beg our friends and family to buy from us, right? We don't have to prospect. We can go out to dinner and enjoy dinner and not think about like that 3-foot rule of whoever's in our 3 feet away from us radius, like your waiter or your bartender. We don't have to prospect them. We get to enjoy our meals. So, It's been really, really fun. So let's get into it. What is social retail? It's an affiliate link sharing model with residual benefits. So in plain English, what does that mean if you're not in network marketing and you have no idea what I just said? So let me give you an example. How many of you have bought something from a link that somebody sent them? Or maybe you go to the TikTok shop and you're like, oh, okay, here, click the link and you buy it. That's what we do. We have an affiliate link sharing model with residual benefits. And the residual benefits I'm talking about is like, let's say my very first like 10 customers from when I started 10 years ago, these people are still ordering. And so there's no cost of acquisition for me for that new client, right? I have that customer and that residual income keeps coming to me whenever they order. Now, some of our customers like to order monthly. Sometimes our customers like to make, maybe 60 days or 90 days in between. But as you're getting new customers, you're still getting that residual income from those old orders. And our products are consumable. And so people are ordering and reordering. And we do all of this on social media. Let's talk about our proven business model. Systems are everything. And it's so nice to be able to represent a company on a business opportunity presentation like this that has these kinds of receipts, this kind of proof, right? This kind of evidence. It's not just me telling you, it's the data telling you. And the data is that we have over 5 million customers. We've done over 6 billion in sales. We're the leading social selling company. We continue to disrupt the industry with incredible products that we're going to get to in just a couple minutes. The company has paid out over $3 billion globally in commissions. And my favorite part of this is that we are actually in 58 countries, which means we can sell products and build teams all from our website in 58 different countries. And I just love having a global team. So I want you to think about this. Just pretend for a moment that you or someone in your network knows someone and you're living in the United States and you know someone who lives in Australia. While you're sleeping, the person on your team in Australia is working their business. And if you have the ability to build a team globally, you have the ability to make money 24 hours a day. That's pretty exciting to me. Don't know about you. So let's talk about some of our hero products. We have over, I think it's 118 products globally. But I just want to take a little bit of a focus on our hero products. This here, right here, weight loss, that is called our 5-day drop. And it's a guaranteed system, a system that guarantees that you lose 5 or more pounds in 5 days. It's a scientifically backed, proven method to help you lose 4 different types of weight. And it's not just water weight. We have thousands of testimonials on this product. And so it's a really, really easy product to use and to sell and to enjoy. It gives you really fast results and it resets your metabolism so you continue to drop weight when you're finished with it. Over here is our collagen, clinical studies, science backed. It's just an incredible product. Our skincare contains the same collagen, hyaluronic acid, plant-based ingredients that our collagen does, and our clients just rave about it. And so a picture does speak 1,000 words. It's worth 1,000 words. So you'll have to see some of our before and afters if you haven't already. Make sure that the person that invited you to this call adds you to our product Facebook community so you can kind of see the results for yourself. And this product here on the bottom right is the least sexy, but the most important, I think, product in our portfolio. And that's because if you do not have good gut health, none of this other stuff matters. And should you join our team, we will train you on why that is. But for now, suffice it to say that the gut health product is like the foundation that everything else is built on. We have some new products that we launched just this past year. The first one is our mental wellness uplift system, and it's a way to biohack your mood. There's a lot of science involved. I'm just going to say this about it. You take a couple pills, you feel freaking amazing. And that's our serotonin and our dopamine, our happy hormones, the things that make us feel really, really good. Those hormones are actually produced in the gut and then transported transported up to the brain through the vagus nerve. And so when your gut is clean and you're taking our happy hormone pills, you're going to feel really, really good. People are reporting less anxiety. They're feeling calm. They're feeling happy for no reason. And what better way to go through life, I feel like, than being happy for absolutely no reason. Then the cell proof, this is not my strongest area, so I will leave this training to someone else. I do use these products. They have the same collagen and hyaluronic acid that our skincare and our liquid collagen does. So one of the things that makes Modere different, besides the dual compensation plan, which I'll get to, but it's our systems. If you do not have a system, you do not have a business, all right? And our systems are so simple and easily plugged into. I'm going to talk about a few here. One of the ways that we reward our customers is through a customer reward referral program, meaning they get a number assigned to them. And if they refer that number out to their friends and family, you get the commission and your customer gets free credit that they can shop with in the future months coming up, right? So they can actually, in turn, get their product for free if they refer their number out to enough people. That creates a massive amount of customer loyalty for you that's built in from the company, and you get to reap the benefit of that. When your customers are using products that they love, that they are finding they look better and they feel better, you're going to make more money. They're going to earn more free credit, and they're going to continue to use the products. Our social marketer launch system and our social selling strategies are second to none, and they're very easy to duplicate. If you've been in a business before and you've been a little bit fearful about building a team, that is not going to be your experience here. You get to plug into these almost like a done-for-you system. Now, we're not saying we're going to build the team for you. What we are saying is that if you bring somebody to the team, their onboarding, their launch, their social media content, the how and the what and the why, all of that is taught in a group environment. And so even if you don't know how to do it, you will. You will. And then the people that you bring on will also learn because it's a duplicating system, right? You know, so much in the network marketing is that self-consuming business plan. You recruit basically glorified customers who are joining you simply for the discount. That's not the case here. You can't ever build a business with customers who are just coming in to get the discount. They're not going to do anything, right? And then the mentoring, I kind of touched on that a little bit earlier. So how do we get paid? I told you I would talk to you about the money. Let's talk about how we get paid. I just got an email shortly before this call started that I got a daily pay from Modere. Modere pays a portion when you sell, and you get a little bit every day. And then we also get paid once a month. So it's really nice to have some money trickling in every day as you make those sales. And it's kind of inspiring because then you want to do more and more and more, right? You like to see those emails coming in. So we earn up to 36% on every customer order. It starts at 10, and as you rank up, it can rank up all the way to 36%. When your customer sends out their referral code, you get paid on those, as I talked about before. The other thing I really love is that we don't spend our commission on just purchasing more Modere product. We actually get monthly shopping credits. So we have sort of this free money to play with to buy the products that we love or products we just haven't tried yet. If you decide that you want to build a team, we have two compensation plans, one for the customer commissions, and then the other is for team building. So we have lots of people in this company that only sell to customers. They don't have any downline. And we have people who are more focused on building teams, and they get to earn commissions on the sales that their team makes. And there's 7 additional monthly bonuses that are possible. Those are all in the compensation plan, and they're too extensive to go over here, but we can certainly have trainings on that once you join. And here it says earn incentive trips, but I really want you guys to hear this. Even if you don't have a downline, you can earn the big incentive trip. That's not common in a lot of places. So even if you don't have a downline and all you do is sell to customers, you get to go on the big trip as well. And that's huge for a lot of people. How do we do it? Well, we go from 10 to 18% commission when we build to bronze. And what does that mean? It means 5 customers in 1 month with 500 points. All right. And you get anywhere between, your paycheck that month will be anywhere between $90 to just under $200. plus the $50 in shopping credits. Now, if you want a little bit more than that, you want a little bit of fun money, and you want to be more in the 200 to 400 range, great. You still only need 5 customers still, but your points need to go up to 1,000, and your commission goes up to 20%. Your check increases, and you get $75 just to play with shopping credit for future product. Now, we have got typical household products that are clean, non-toxic products. You can take your shopping credit and get free product that you already use and spend money on. So you're actually going to be saving money in your monthly budget at Costco or Target, wherever you shop at. Maybe you want to go for gold, right? 10 customers, 2,000 points. Your check goes up substantially. Your commission goes up to 22%. And look at that, $100 in free shopping money. Love it. My goal was always platinum because I want my commission to be between that $900 and $1,500 for my customer side, $100 in free shopping credit. And look at that, 30% commission. I love it. How do you sell? You share the products that you love. If you have had an opportunity to use the products, let's say you're a customer and you've fallen in love with something and now you want to sell it to your audience on social media, well, you've got yourself the story and the products that you love and you share about them. Let's say you're not a customer and you've never tried the product. Well, in that case, we teach you how to pick one hero product and create a story, either results that you expect to get from the product, or you share someone else's story, which is perfectly acceptable. All right. And you share about the benefits of our hero product and how that hero product is going to be able to solve the problem that someone in your audience has. So it becomes really easy to reach out to people who need the solution that our products have to offer. Again, no stocking inventory, no purchasing to hit rank, no shipping product, no returning product. We have a team building option. And look at that. There's an example of that daily pay. How exciting would it be to have those emails and text messages with just drips of pay coming in as you sell throughout the month? I don't know about you, but I find it very inspiring and exciting. And it makes me want to, jump back on social media and connect with people who really are looking for the solutions for the problems that they have. I can't tell you how big of an industry gut health, brain health, collagen, and weight loss. Oh my gosh, weight loss is a multi-billion-dollar industry on its own, and you get to pick which one or two of these you want to focus on. So how do you get started? Well, we've got something super special going on this month. We have different levels of XM kits. We've got the ultimate kit, starts at I think it's 25 now, and that's going to be $150 off. So somebody else do the math, because I went to law school to literally avoid math and I count on my fingers. So someone's going to have to figure that out on their own. The other one is the XM kit, and that one is $395. I think the prices are the way they are on here because you're taking the ultimate kit at $725 and you're adding the $50 fee. That's what it is. Okay, so there's a $50 enrollment fee. So that's why these prices are. So long story short, the XM kit at $325, this one right here, the one on the right, the most popular, that is $100 off. Now, if you decide to go with one of these XM kits, whether it's the bigger choice or the $395 choice, the XM kit, you're going to get either $150 off or $100 off, but that's not it. This is pretty cool. In your first month, if you achieve bronze, which is where you get 5 customers and 500 points and one person to come on this journey with you, you're going to get $100 and your sponsor's going to get $100.